Social advertising seemed to hit a wall in 2021. Performance has been in decline for the past 12 months and will probably get worse. What's causing the problem? Apple released iOS version 14.5 in April of 2021, which gave iPhone users the option of no longer being tracked. It also eliminated cookies in its browser, which has been followed by other browser makers. This new privacy paradigm has degraded the ability for ad networks to target consumers. Retailers are feeling this every day as they watch their ad performance decline due to a lack of targeting precision. Unfortunately, the problem is expected to get worse. Google announced that they were going to add Do Not Track to Android phones. 40% of US adults use Android phones, so another 40% of consumers will be hard to target. The performance declines are seen across the entire ad network. It's not just mobile ads that are declining. Desktops and laptops are also affected. Until recently, ad targeting was handled by the ad platform. It used its consumer tracking data to target ads at people. When Apple and the browser makers began to restrict tracking, social network performance began to decline. Now, retailers add their targeting audiences before the ad is submitted to a social platforms. PreciseTarget's data is not based on harvested data. All of its source data is consumer opt-in. The company provides the highest performing retail data that is created using ethical and pro-privacy methods. Retailers who are adding targeting audiences to their campaigns are restoring their ad performance. Their target audiences can be very specific, including by category and price tier for their assortment.